Welcome to Quizity, your daily place for exciting puzzles and games. A quick look at your upcoming puzzles. Only the sharpest eyes will catch the odd one. 42 tricky questions, and only 10 seconds to answer. 1 point for every right answer. Comment your score and challenge your friends. Can your eyes beat the clock? Find it. Yes, you found the one that's different. Spot the odd emoji before the timer ends. Correct. Spot the odd emoji. Look closely and guess fast. The game begins now. Amazing guess. Are you ready for more? Only sharp eyes will find the odd emoji. Bingo! This emoji is the odd one out. One emoji is not the same. Can you find it? Here it is! The odd one revealed! Can you find who's hiding in the shadow? That was a tricky one. Only sharp eyes will find the odd emoji. Well done! This one stands out. Only sharp eyes will find the odd emoji. Found it! Here's the different emoji. Look closely and guess fast. The game begins now. Well done, genius. One emoji is not the same. Can you find it? Here it is! The odd one revealed. Look closely. Which one is the odd emoji? Got it! The odd emoji is here. Look closely and guess fast. The game begins now. You nailed it! Spot the emoji that doesn't belong. Got it! The odd emoji is here. Quick! Which one is the odd emoji? You found it! Odd emoji unlocked! Think you've got sharp eyes? Let's find out! Count how many you get right and comment your score below. Let's see who's the puzzle master. Can your eyes beat the clock? Find it! Bingo! This emoji is the odd one out. Can your eyes beat the clock? Find it! That's it! This is the odd emoji. Welcome to Guess the Shadow. Well done, genius. Quick! Which one is the odd emoji? Well done! This one stands out. Quick! Which one is the odd emoji? Correct. Spot the odd emoji. Look closely and guess fast. The game begins now. Amazing guess. Are you ready for more? Spot the odd emoji before the timer ends. You found it. Odd emoji unlocked. Only sharp eyes will find the odd emoji. Spot on! The odd emoji is this one. Can you find who's hiding in the shadow? Did you guess it, right? Can your eyes beat the clock? Find it. Correct. Spot the odd emoji. Can you find the odd emoji on time? Got it! The odd emoji is here. Can you find who's hiding in the shadow? Awesome! You're so smart! Can you see the different emoji? You found it! Odd emoji unlocked! Can you find the odd emoji on time? Gotcha! This emoji is not the same. We post exciting new challenges every single day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out. Can your eyes beat the clock? Find it! Well done! This one stands out. Can you see the different emoji? Bingo! This emoji is the odd one out. Let's warm up your brain with some shadows. Wow! You got it! One emoji is not the same. Can you find it? Great job! Here's the different emoji. One emoji is not the same. Find it. Yes, you found the one that's different. Get ready. The shadow challenge starts now. Excellent. Keep it up. Can you find the odd emoji on time? Well done. This one stands out. Quick, which one is the odd emoji? Spot on. The odd emoji is this one. Let's begin our shadow adventure. Well done, genius. Can you find the odd emoji on time? That's it. This is the odd emoji. Spot the emoji that doesn't belong. Here it is! The odd one revealed! It's time to play and guess the shadow. Did you guess it right? Quick! Which one is the odd emoji? That's it! Can you spot it again next time? Find the odd emoji as fast as you can. Great job! Here's the different emoji! We hope you enjoyed the challenge. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. We really appreciate your support. Join us again tomorrow. We post fresh challenges every single day. See you in the next one.